Hello, in today's video I'm gonna be installing Joydeco blinds. Hello, so in today's video I'm gonna be installing Joydeco blinds. They come in a handy pack. They come with brackets for outside and for inside and for some hardware. Basically all you have to do is just, in a window like mine for example, I already have similar brackets but they're a little bit too small, so all I need to do is just take the screws, put in new brackets, clip them on, and it basically takes only a few minutes to do it. This is their profile. As you can see on the top it goes the bracket, and then you just pull them from the front. And basically in under 5 minutes everything installed. Bracket is in. All you have to do is just put a little screw and then it just clicks, and all you have to do later is just pull it down, and then you can have a blinds that are fully closed, or we can move it a little bit more up or down, and then we're gonna have a half of the blinds open. Or if you want to fully open, this goes like a butter and you can fully open the blinds. So it's a perfect modern blind for any window. So halfway, full way, and you have a nice privacy. So I give it a thumbs up. Super nice modern blinds. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.